my corporate experience, SPJIMR was the most, I think, relevant choice and appropriate choice for me for two reasons. First, it's one of the top business school, and second, a new FPM program, which was more of an interdisciplinary, and there was flexibility of picking up my topic and doing research on that. So at SPJIMR, focus is on learning. A lot of opportunities are provided to the student, to the scholars, and every stage there is a support coming from faculties or with respect to the databases or the research, I would say workshops or conducting FDPs. And at the same time, the Faculty Excellence Forum, or the brown bags, what we used to call it, it gives you new perspective of doing research. So it teaches you from, say, methodology to data collection to what are the ongoing topics which are there. So everything is like provided, and at the library we have access to databases, we have access to top journals. So it's helping scholars at every stage to develop their skills and at the same time have access to the facilities which are required to do research. So being FPM scholars, we have been supported by most of the faculties and as well as the mentors which are assigned to us. From the FPM department, I have been getting very good support from day one, whether that's my guide or the head of chair of FPM. So with my guide, I have got a very valuable insights from him. I learned how to work on the academic rigor. He taught me, I would say, how to process the research, how to get into the rigor of research. So it can be from data collection to doing literature review or building up the theory part, or I would say publishing a paper. So I am doing technology-enabled social innovation for rural healthcare, and that too in the Indian context where we have no healthcare in most of the rural areas. So this has been a very interesting topic, and I have been very passionate about it. So when I went to conferences, so I got people who were also interested in the similar topic. So I got very good insights and the different perspective in that sense. So for example, if I talk about emerging market, India as an emerging market versus China as an emerging market. So scenarios were different. And for example, the rural healthcare even in US is facing problem. So these different perspective gave me, I think it enriched my research, and I could think more clearly in exploring further and looking at the nuances from different perspective altogether. So I would say it extended my horizon, and obviously it built a community, the academic community, which I'm going to be part of going further. So I have attended as of now 3 international conferences, and different, not the same. So I have attended AOAM, SMS, and one by the John Hopkins, which is very specialized in healthcare. So every place it has been a very good experience, and as I mentioned, the opportunities they offer you, that if you want to do further research, that we are there to help you kind of thing. So that gives you motivation as well as encouragement to, and also the validation that your research is something different and you are contributing to the knowledge which people are waiting for. I think my thesis is a great example, I would say, an appropriate example, because my research is in interdisciplinary. So I am doing information management and strategy both together, and looking at the complex problems. So that's rural healthcare, because I had a before I joined FPM, I have been associated with few startups and few non-profits. So there was no technology used except like few bigger players who use technology to get into the complex problems or go to the grassroots. So I was very passionate about it, and the same topic I got when I came for the interview. I explained the same topic, that this is my research area I want to do, and I think the whole panel was very supportive of the topic which I was looking for. And obviously SPJIMR is associated with social impact and societal things which are done even in the PGDM or other courses. So it has been, I think the starting point itself was very positive for me, and the moment I presented most of my term papers and all that, it was in the similar kind of thing, that everything in the social sector I wanted to look at, and everyone encouraged me. So it has been I think the positive thing for me from day one, and I see the result now. So it's everyone's contribution which has come to my thesis completion, I would say.